We have a PS4. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's absolutely gross. I don't even know if it still works. Let's turn it on. Holy. How is it so quiet right now? It's making some weird noises. Honestly, guys, I really don't want to clean this. Like, this is the dirtiest PS4 I have ever seen in my entire life. Like, just look. Like, I feel like this was just never cleaned, ever. Like, everything is gross, even the fucking front of it. This is gonna be like a little bit of a series because I definitely cannot clean this in one video. So we're gonna start off with our toothbrush. I'm not even gonna walk you guys through this because I just want to get this over and done with. We're just gonna do some scrubbing. Ugh. What? It's black now. Okay, I think my toothbrush is retired. We're gonna get 2 new ones. I don't think this is gonna get any better for me. Just scrubbing. Everything smells like alcohol. So I got a lot of emails telling me that you guys want to do what I do, but it comes with stuff like this. So be careful what you wish for. Now it's time for the other side, which is no better. I really wonder where they kept this PS4. I don't know how that much dirt can build up. So it does look a lot better now, even though I made my toothbrushes black. So I think it's time to actually open it up. Take out our screws. Go check out part 3. We're back with the PS4. Let's see what's under this. Okay. Yeah, not a good look. Unscrew. So this is the moment of truth. I don't know if you guys can see that, but disgusting. So it's still very dirty. I have my mask on right now, so I don't breathe any of this in. We're gonna go outside and air blast the whole thing. We'll start off with the lid. Now the actual PS4. That looks so much better. It's time to just wipe everything down. So we're back inside, but the fan still has some dirt. We're gonna use Q-tips. Multiple Q-tips later, we got it cleaned. We're just mainly focusing on the fan because that's what we're asked to do. I'm gonna be making a part 5. Now everything looks a lot better. I still have to clean that and that, but I'm gonna put everything back together. My gloves are ripped and my hands are dirty. I'm gonna try and pretend that this never happened. Put our power supply back. Let's put this away for a second and focus on this. That looks a lot better. Now for this one, that's about as good as it's gonna get. Put our lid back on. Put our screws back in. Now let's give it a few final scrubs. And we're pretty much done. It's definitely a lot cleaner now. There's no more dust, but I can't really have it perfect because it's too far gone. Anyway guys, thank you for watching and have a good night. If you're wondering how the PS4 sounds now, it doesn't sound like anything. Your PS4 should not sound like an airplane. If it does, it's super dirty on the inside and needs cleaning. Definitely go get your PS4 cleaned.